to the channel. As you can tell by the thumbnail, you already know what type of day it is. So stay tuned, stay rolling with your boys that we about to head down to BridgeWater Car Show at BridgeWater Acura Classic Car Show. Yo, so you already know the vibe. Stay tuned, stay rolling with your boy Lz. Make sure you like, subscribe, and let's get to it.
In the back, but I cook up a Chevy. Got a crib, but I kill it the telly. I can't even lie, the little trees was a wedding. Nina Nada, that shit got me daddy.
Running a little bit late right now. Ooh, look like this person is too. We're gonna get there and get right to recording, right? We outside.
The Penthouse racks. I'ma drop a pen, break some tens, cause the Penthouse racks. Smoked out, going all out, got it looking like a mosh. Penthouse racks. Rock it to my crib and it's racks. You ain't valid, you left in the lobby.
You will always get love.
Neck and my wrist on this rock. Girls wildin' out of the mind. We gon' wild out the house party. Fuck her down, walk her to my ride. Penthouse racks. Everything lit in my pocket. Penthouse, sweet as shit is racks. All that shit is racks. Welcome to my house party, it's lit. Treating every night like Michael, this is it. I got artists and creators in this bit. Ain't no telling by the night who you'll be with. We get mixy, we ain't with that bullshit shit. All that fighting, we ain't with that goofy shit. Sweat dripping from the windows to the wall. Fuck a camera phone, she bout to risk it all. I'm not with the scuffle. Getting money, I flip it and double. Talking bitches, I keep me a couple. Off the do say I keep me a couple. I can fuck you, but I cannot cuff you. No. Yeah, I'm back in my bag again. Bring me round on my bag, your friends. I'm up in Neiman's popping tags again. Yeah. She talking Chanel and Gucci. Talking ass and buying boobies. Bitch, I'm a plan, buying no coochie. Yeah. Stupid, dummy, daddy. Look, first they had counted me out. I made them count up again. Came back, now I fuck up the venues. I'm back to get all of my M's. Just some backs in the back of the back.
Like,
they can't stand me, they wish it would.
We ain't going nowhere.
Little checks and I'm dipping them.
Bring that shit back.
Yes, that's what I could do that to my niggas.
They can't count us out.
Look, first they had counted me out. I made them count up again. Came back, now I fuck up the venues. I'm back to get all of my M's. Just some backs in the back of the back. They can't stand me, they wish it would end. I just step on their necks and collect all the checks and I dip in them back to the yams. I'm really that nigga, I bang with the hitters, find out and get clapped up with figures. I be with the scammers, the robbers, the killers, and get love from all of the dealers. My whip pushes started, I'm part by the projects, my niggas, they selling narcotics. If I want it, I cop it, it come out of pocket, I hustle, can't fuck up my profit. I moved to the sticks, started moving them sticks, and that's why I'm so good in the peas, bro. I'm tarring the scale just to weigh out the bell, and my niggas, they twisting the weed smoke. Get hype over 30s, them Roxys, the Oxys, the Xannies, and lean, bro. Don't shoot me no numbers on green, bro, not if your plug is a plug on the East Coast. First they had counted me out. I made them count up again. Came back, now I fuck up the venues. I'm back to get all of my M's. Just some backs in the back of the back. They can't stand me, they wish it would end. I just step on their necks and collect all the checks and I dip in them back to the yams.
Steady talk about taking over the town.
80 East, we the gang. 80 East, we the gang. 80 East, we the gang. Hey, keep a little eye on your chick. I'm wanna come up, so she eyeing the kid. I break her off them braid tie with the bitch. Now I'm back in my bag and got time for that shit. All like whining and shit. She petite, but she not petite, so no time for the chick. Let time pass me, I was acting lazy. Now I'm splashing crazy, and it's time to get rich. I need a clear port, fuck an airport. This a go yard, not a transport. But I whip that Audi like a transporter. Take a chicken like a transporter. Take a bitch and put a trans on her. Clean her up and throw some bands on her. Pockets deep and never out of order. Call me Megatron the way I transform her. Black on black mirror, the Autobot. Put a price on the head, then I off the top, Step on the gas till the motor pop, Dump in the clutch and peel off the lot, Lane change, chain swing, bending corners, yelling out, gang, gang. Range Rover, Bentley motors, giving orders, 80 East, we the gang. Yeah, alright.
Whatever we do, ain't even here.
My relationship is timeless. Bonnie and Clyde tripping niggas split the profit. These JPG frames got me seeing through the nonsense. GLE AMG, I'm shifting through the tri-state. The Fago dirty, pop a perky, get my mind straight. I'm getting slurpy to these perky buckle donkey. Smoke to the heavens, multitasking while I count key. She sweet like frosting, I could tell she been around key. Money over matter. If it ain't mine, then that money doesn't matter. And God we trust, I guess I'm living by the dollar. I maneuver through the snakes like Gucci on my collar. Okay, I got it. I get the work to make it work and we divide it. Gave you my word, that's what it is, you know I'm solid. Just stay on point, you know that iron sharpen iron. And I be grinding when the Maybach seats reclining. The 40 pointers, yeah, my neck on Kobe Bryant. Buy number 9 candles just to set the vibe. 260 for them candles just to set the vibe. She bet she worth it, nothing less than perfect. Whatever you doing, keep it up, cause it been working. Spend records on the assets, I'ma crash, that's for certain. Lay actress in that Maybach, only right, I close them curtains. Only right, I close them curtains. Spend records on the assets, I'ma crash, that's for certain. Lay actress in that Maybach, only right, I close them curtains. Only right, I close them curtains. Lay actress in that Maybach, only right, I close them curtains. The SC sign it go wherever you like. The G I can go wherever you like. S63, I might pull it tonight. Okay, I got it.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Stream by y'all now tune in to DJ Shop. Talk to him nice. 80 East, we the king.
Baby, I got trust this shit. I trust this shit. Baby, I got trust this shit. Baby, I got trust this shit. Baby, I got trust this shit. But for some reason, I got trust in you. Give it out and nothing extra. Promises my rule, yeah. I don't know what's coming over me. You got me letting at my guard, getting close to me. I got problems just like you got problems. You never gave up and you never doubted. Shit, keep it up my heart. I'll be breakfast in the morning, baby. I trust this shit. Baby, I got trust this shit. Baby, I got trust this shit. Baby, I got trust this shit. Baby, I got.
Yo, so hopefully you guys enjoyed everything today. It was just a little show we came through last minute, but wanted to show you guys, you know, there's some things that are going on in the area, and of course, you know, we wanted to make sure and come out and represent Uniq Culture, and of course, but yeah, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like, subscribe. We outside with it. You know the vibe.
6'2", knock a nigga out his biggie. We gon' keep spinning and spinning and spinning again till we run this whole set out the city.